Hey Michael, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your Houston website up here so that we can go through your online presence. And starting with your website here, they did a really good job with some call to actions. That really helps with conversion rates. And if we quickly scroll through here, you guys have a great looking site with plenty of content, which is good because Google looks through the content as well as what your photos are saved as to see what keywords you have on your website. And one example of a keyword is foundation repair in Houston. And so a keyword is anything that your future clients are searching for in Google. And whenever your future clients are looking for this, the first thing that's popping up here are some ads. And I do see that you guys are Google guaranteed, which is awesome. And if we scroll down here, this is the Google Map Pack section, and 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. It's really good that you guys are ranking in this section because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40%. The way that you maintain this here would be to keep up with your reviews, your citations, and your photos, as well as having your website ranking in this organic listing. And so the remainder of that 60 to 70% of business goes into this organic listing. And if we scroll down, I do see that you're at the bottom of the first page, which is good because 90% of people will stay on the first page. But you would see an increase in your traffic and in your clients if you were in the top 3 up here. The top 3 get a lot of that 60 to 70%. So let's take a look at the #1 ranking website for this keyword. If we quickly scroll through this website, it looks like you are already beating them in the content department. So let's take a look at the back end of each website here. So with Atlas Foundation, the UR and the DR, these are ratings pulled from Google data, and it's the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. They have 34 and 16. What's making up their ratings are the 1.74 thousand backlinks that they have, and these backlinks are coming from 255 referring domains. And what a backlink is, it's one website linking to another one, kind of like a shout out. And it's important to note that not all backlinks are the same. There are high quality backlinks that will boost these numbers here, as well as spammy ones that will bring them down. And in Atlas, they have over 1,000 keywords on their website. And if we go take a look at yours, have your Houston plugged in, you all have 25 and 43, coming from 276 backlinks from 48 referring domains. And you will have 148 keywords on your website. And so what you'd want to do is have higher quality backlinks than your competitors here, so that Google is pushing you up higher than Atlas, so that you are #1 in the Google listing. One way to get high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. You can go into Atlas's backlinks here and then link those to your website as well, because if it is working for them, it would work for you. And another thing is you'd want to make sure that you have good buyer intent keywords on your website so that you are being found for what you would like to be found for. Foundation repair, Houston, Texas. 400 people are searching for this every single month. Foundation repair, Houston, TX, 400, 400, 150, 600, 200, 350. And you can see here that this list just keeps going here. And there are pages of these keywords. And so if you're wanting more business here, you would want to have your website ranking up higher on that page for all the keywords that apply to you that you'd want to be ranking for. And so I hope that this video was helpful for you. I would love to hear from you or not to find out if it was valuable. And I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Thank you.